Okay, so here's the other side of the market. We have a lot of food here, but we're here visiting my cousin's girlfriend. This is his girlfriend. And if we saw their family's business right here. They got all these foods here, some fresh seafood, and we have food stalls all the way down. So this is gonna be a little different from those other food stalls. And some people just got done eating over here, so we're probably gonna eat over here as well. But my cousin wanted to bring me here to see the side and also to visit his girlfriend. And I think that's her mom and relatives over here. Okay, so we're gonna eat over here. So here we got some fresh squid. We already started eating some rice, some spicy dipping sauce, and we're also gonna get some chili fried fish. Man, this is so good. Just to eat this, it's like tastes so fresh. So basically, we're just taking the squid and just dipping in here. And you know, there's my cousin and his girlfriend. We're just eating here. That's so good. So check this out. This is the Thai chili fish. Look at that. Wow, that is massive. Okay, check out this big ass fish. So there's sweet chili sauce. You could dip it in here as well with rice. It's really crispy. It's sweet, but also spicy. But man, it's delicious. Absolutely delicious. So I highly recommend that when you do come here, try out the seafood dishes, you know, especially something like this. Well, unfortunately, it started raining, so we're not going to be able to see the rest of this market on today's video. But instead, you know, we're going to go ahead and eat under this canopy and enjoy the rest of the meal. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in another episode.